The 2016 NBA Draft Lottery will take place Tuesday night with big implications for the franchise given the first pick. So, what is the Draft Lottery and how does it work? All 14 teams that miss the NBA playoffs are eligible for the lottery, which is used to determine the top 3 spots in the draft order. The drawing process involves ping pong balls being placed in a lottery machine with 1,001 possible combinations. Each team is assigned different combos based on their record, giving the worst team the best chance of getting the top pick. After the top 3 are selected at random, the rest are assigned a draft number based on the inverse order of their regular season team record. Of course, it's not that clear-cut when you consider teams trading for picks and swapping spots. The 2016 NBA Draft will be held Thursday, June 23rd.